I have the pleasure of introducing you to a friend of mine, Shane Brady, who is presently serving along with his wife, Yolanda, at the branch in Finland. Brother Shane Brady and I previously worked together at the Canada branch. Shane has been involved in legally defending our brothers for the past 22 years in many countries, including Armenia, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. Shane, it's good to see you. How are you doing?
Doing very well. It's great to see you too, Mark.
Shane, we want to ask you, what have been some of the challenges that you've faced in accepting these assignments in various countries in the world?
Well, there have certainly been a few challenges. One is frequent travel. Another is language. Each country that we assist has its own language. Some court cases are very stressful. And at times we've faced firsthand the hatred of our opposers.
Yes. And you know, Shane, in spite of all that, you and your wife have always been willing to go on these assignments. We appreciate your spirit so much. Is there an experience that you can share with us that would give us a taste of the kind of situations that you've had to deal with in these countries?
Well, there have been many experiences. One experience that comes to mind a few months ago, there was a special pioneer, a case was started against him. And if the decision was negative, it could have very serious consequences for our work in that country. So we did our best to present a strong defense. But as the trial progressed, things didn't seem to be going so well. But on the last day of the trial, everything changed. We presented a motion and we asked the judge to terminate the case against the brother. Now, personally, I didn't think it would actually work. But one older brother that we worked with over the years, he always told us we need to give Jehovah something to bless. And so we did. And the results were quite unexpected. When we made the motion, the judge turned to the prosecutor and asked, well, what's your opinion? And to our surprise, the prosecutor agreed with our request, and he even went beyond what we asked. He said to the judge that the government official that started the case against our brother should be punished. Well, the judge agreed. The case was terminated. When we were walking out of the courtroom, I looked at the other brothers with me, and we all said the same thing, like, what happened? Well, it was obvious. Jehovah had intervened.
That's wonderful, Shane.